Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of well-formed formula. Simply, a well-formed formula is a logic expression that is constructed by using the rules of the logic. Now, what is a well-formed formula? Simply, any proposition is a well-formed formula. Any proposition. Suppose P is a proposition. It is a well-formed formula. Q is a proposition. It is a well-formed formula. That means a simple any atomic proposition is a well-formed formula. Now, negation of the proposition is also a well-formed formula. Suppose if P is a well-formed formula and the negation P also well-formed formula. Now, connectivity. Suppose we are using biconnectivities like end, or, not, negation, XR, all those are well-formed formulas. Like P comma Q are well-formed formula, then P and Q, it is also a well-formed formula. P implies Q, P or Q, like this. P double implies Q. All those are well-formed formulas. For processing, that is expressing clearly, the well-formed formulas may contain the parenthesis also. That is, must and should follow the order. That is, how many number of open parentheses, you need to maintain the order of the closing parenthesis also. Now I will give you some example. Suppose P implies Q and R. This is a well-formed formula. If you understand carefully, here you are using parentheses. So first this is performed. With this result we are doing end operation. Or for example, P and Q are R. To avoid confusion, here I am writing the parentheses. Then first QRR is performed, with that result end is performed with pre. This is a well-formed formula. Got it? So if any formula, any logical expression that follows these rules, it is a well-formed formula. What is the reason for maintaining this formula? The reason is to avoid ambiguity. For example, here the brackets are missing. Which one you need to test? You need to follow the order of precedence. But if you don't know the precedence, so in theorem proving, in parenthesis checking, in validation, everywhere we are using well-formed formula. For example, PQ end. This is not a well-formed formula. Here it is connectivity is placed at the end. P end. This is not a well-formed formula. Closing parenthesis is missing. This is not a well-formed formula. For this we need minimum two premises. That is two propositions. Clear? So by easily using this one, we can easily identify whether the given formula is a well-formed formula or not. If it is not, then the remaining procedure. Suppose my question is construct a truth table. If the given formula is not a well-formed formula, suppose this is, then how do we construct the truth table? First we are doing P implies Q, and with the result we are doing end operation with 1. So we do not have an idea. That is the reason before doing any operation, first to check whether the given one is a well-formed formula or not. Clear? Thank you.